Do you use a leg press when you work out? Here are some things that often go overlooked that can help you get the most out of using this machine.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we are discussing the ins and outs and some quick tips for using the leg press at the gym. Today specifically, we're going to discuss how to decide where your feet should go on the foot plate in terms of width. Should your feet be narrow? Should they be wide? And a few considerations when thinking about foot position in terms of width.
One thing that often doesn't get considered when using a leg press is where somebody puts their feet as far as how wide or how narrow they are. But a large consideration as far as where you should put your feet is how well your hips and knees are able to bend. So whether or not you're able to recline, whether or not you're able to get your seat closer or farther back, you often can put your feet more wide or more narrow on the foot plate. What's neat about this is if your feet are wider, it may give you a better ability to actually fold up into the bottom position, allowing your hips and knees to bend more, even if the seat is not able to go farther back or recline back, or like we talked about a couple weeks back, if you have a bigger abdomen. So for any of those reasons, having your feet a little bit wider may allow you to fold up more, which may make this exercise more comfortable.
Try out this setup cue next time you're at the gym doing the leg press, especially if you feel like you have a leg press with limited